Well, America, yesterday I received a note from, it's a fundraising note from Americans United talking about a recent case that's going to go before the Supreme Court. Yeah. Greece County 2007, Greece, New York. It's a case. It's a case involving prayers before county meetings. But despite the harmless nature, the claimed harmless nature of it, this was a place where they've noted that for 9 years they did explicitly Christian prayers. Now, one might think that this isn't much of a problem. But obviously, some of the stuff it proves contrary to it being not harmless. It's one article from the New York Times here involving it. You might be able to see the name in the address in the bar for looking it up yourself. It's Americans United for Separation of Church and States going up against the Alliance Defending Freedom, who's going to try and say that's not a problem. But this not a problem thing is sort of not true. We have the thing here involving North Carolina that happened just a little bit ago, where, contrary to what they were saying, they wouldn't dare tolerate any other faith than the Christian faith that they want to present. In this case, Representative Michelle Pensnell there. She specifically, when asked whether she would be comfortable with a prayer to Allah, responded, "No, I don't condone terrorism." Yeah, these are from the people that say we wouldn't have a problem with other faiths. Another example for you is this one here, coming up in a moment. From the Tucson Weekly. Catch this title. Atheist State Rep, Secular Invocation Done Over in Repentance by Christian Rep. Yeah, that's Steve's. Yeah. Juan Mendez gives an atheist invocation, and Steve Smith doesn't approve. Yeah. Essentially going and doing such things. Oh shit, shaky cam. You get the various statements here. Even you get the Menendez statements. There's even a video if you want to see the statements from the atheist rep there and why, which Mr. Smith found so friggin' offending. Right now the Supreme Court is going to be hearing the case from Atheists United over the town board meetings and their prayers. They could very well decide that it's okay, and we'll see a lot more things like what was going on with North Carolina when they tried to say, for instance, that the Constitution means nothing if the state wants to declare itself as officially a Christian nation. Don't let religious people fool you when they tell you those symbolisms are not harmful. These are just a couple examples of how their so-called harmless symbols have been used to harmful effect against and favoritism in this country. Please, just don't be fooled. This is a political outburst. I don't do these very often because I don't like speaking, and, well, I need a tripod for this camera. Bye.